Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you unlock 100 cars in Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005, especially in career mode. So let's unlock the full potential of the NFS Most Wanted plus costs, including police cars, bonus cars, and hidden vehicles. Plus I'll guide you on how you can use the career in career mode. Stick around and I'll show you how it is done. So first, you're going to be downloading the extra options model. In the description, click on the zip files and use WinRAR on OS 7. After extracting, open the ext, copy all these files and paste them into the folder where your NFS Most Wanted game is installed. When prompted, click replace and make sure to back up your original games files before proceeding. For the next step is configuring extra options. Go to settings now, go to the scripts folder and open the extra options setting in file using notepad and find the line show all the cars in FE equals 0 and change it to 1. This enables all the cars in front and menu to use these cars in career mode. This lets you buy any car in the car lot. After making these changes, click file and click save them. Close notepad. Step 3, launching the game and unlocking cars in career mode. Launch the game and here create a new save file to see all the unlocked cars. Now go to my cars, check the car lot. You should see 100 plus cars available. Select the car you want. You can customize it based on your preference and upgrade its performance before using it. To use the car in career mode, select any car you want to drive and press F4. This enables the freeze cars. Now start career mode and you will be able to use the selected car from the beginning. And now you can see the careers, the unlocked cars in action. Here's the Porsche Carrera GT in career mode. You can also drive police cars, bonus cars, traffic cars, and even blacklist cars right from the start. There you have. Now you can drive all 100 plus cars everywhere in Need for Speed Most Wanted. If you found this guide useful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.